You have 50,000 fashion opportunities in the fashion world. You can work as a fashion designer on your own, plus you can work in the fashion industry as merchandiser and as a designer. Hi, I'm Professor Dr. Kapil Kishore, Head of the Department, School of Fashion Design, Lingaya's Vidyapeeth, Faridabad. In Lingaya's School of Fashion Design, we are offering B.Sc in Fashion Design, where you have fashion illustration, pattern making, textile science, and garment construction. You will be learning all these subjects. After every semester, you will be going for social training, and for every year, you will be going for internship in the industry. You can work under the designer or under the export house. If you are someone who's creative and innovative and looking for fashion design as a dream career, join Lingaya's School of Fashion Design today and take your professional journey to the next level.